everybody online, make everybody understand what happened. Because all this aboki of a thing, a guide of a thing, when they put for us, at least we need to use this one full stop. Because 4 a.m. this morning, now they take up and say, Mama, when I see yesterday, say the ass, they say they burn oh, fire oh, may I come oh. Reaching here now, we meet them dead. The room, only the room when she did, now born. Only a bedroom, now born. You understand? Yes. Only the bedroom, now born. I said, how does it happen like this? Yeah. Yes, she was lying down there, lying down flat. Yes. Was just there when I came. She was already roast. Don't roast, be like say the roast meat. It happen now. We say okay, we call the police. After the report, we carry okay, no go put her for mortuary. We carry her go mortuary. So before they come back, now the aboki, the megad when they ask, don't they pack things. They pack things, they use first, they give a friends. Those why they carry her run. Now the opposite ask, somebody come see him. See her, aboki don't they run oh. So now we take go find am, go see am from one place where he hide put. Now we take cash and come. Now he can't use math, they confess. Now he don't they confess. How they take do am, 9 of them. How they take open door for them. They wait for mama for inside house. As mama come from outside, now they take follow her from backyard through kitchen, enter inside, collect money when they with her all her gold, her laptop, the valuable things. Now they kill her. After they don't kill her, they put fire to send a fire. Now he enter. Not be fire enter. That may guide and the friends. 9 of them, say 9 of them. Now the day police custody now. What happened this morning?
9 o'clock on Saturday, I mean with my auntie day together. Saturday evening. So we go greet one of my auntie. Now my guy call my auntie say, Mommy, you know come as. Now auntie say he don't they come. So we can't come out. She dropped me for house. On her way coming, she enter. When she enter, I say you cook stew. May we take cook rice, go church on Sunday morning. So as he enter kitchen, you don't know say protector for back, they don't call the padlock down. So they call the padlock, he enter kitchen, open iron door, may he cook. As he they cook now, so they take him and say, Ama yet. She fall. Then drag her enter room. The next thing, around 3 o'clock, the maid guy come shout, say fire, fire. They even call us, we all come, before we come call fire brigade. As then they put fire, water for the fire, now so they go up. Now so the fire, they go up, now they say na fuel. We don't even suspect me, guy say na he do this thing. So we carry my sister go mortuary. Some of my relations, then they inside compound with the maid guide. Then the maid guide, come they carry our property through fence to another person. Carry property, the next thing, jump fence, he run, come out. When we call where may guide, they say na may guide they find, so they not see may guide though. Now we find may guide though. Person on white, we don't even know the person. Come tell my sister say, go to our compound, may guide they there. We reach there, he go out for answer gate. So we drag him out. Waiting they pursue you, say yes, it's start too good for me. Mommy, so in the fear and I make. So our neighbor opposite my sister house, now he come and say, Lord, when you they carry pass fence, who you give? He say na him brother. He say na him brother, where your brother go church? Now inside church we go carry him brother. So police carry him brother go station, we can't go in may guide house. We reach there, wake he not bring him. We break the door, see my sister property. So we still go back to the compound where we arrest the may guide. The next thing, we see the four of them, they gather. Then they take wine, shinap. Wine when they pack for my sister room, take the chop rice. We still search, see my sister property. Where to na kill her for? They say don't say when they plan for her. Because now he only want their house, you know, get husband, children, they are abroad. So the property he enter in eyes. Now he tell him people. They say the day when he go set, that day now he make him call my sister. Where they kill her. Now we dey so. If na luck when I get attend, I dey follow and come as come sleep. If to say I follow and come that day, na 2 of us dey for kill.